Hi everyone! I have some exciting news. We are officially starting a brand new series, Barbie's Living Room. First up, we're making this stylish coffee table. Let's build it together. All right, let's gather our materials. For this project, you'll need some cardboard, a pair of scissors, a pencil, and a ruler. You'll also need hot glue and some paper glue. And the most important part, a printed wood pattern to get that beautiful, realistic finish.
Okay, let's start by cutting out all of our pieces from the cardboard.
And don't worry, I've included the dimensions for every single piece to make it super easy for you. Okay, time to make our pieces nice and sturdy. We're going to glue the cardboard cutouts together to build them up to the perfect thickness. And now for my favorite part, the magic trick. We're going to cover all of our sturdy cardboard pieces with this printed wood pattern to make them look like real wood. at that. It looks absolutely amazing, doesn't it?
And now we're just going to do the exact same thing for all of our other pieces.
We have everything now. Okay, and for the final step, we're gonna put it all together. Oh my gosh, I am absolutely thrilled with how this turned out. This coffee table looks like a real piece of furniture. What do you guys think? If you love it too, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. Also, tell me what you'd like to see in future videos. As a reminder, we're building a complete Barbie dream house. We've already finished the walk-in closet and the bedroom, and now we're officially creating the living room. What's next? That's up to you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for being here, and I'll see you all next week. Bye!